Hi, this is David Jem coming to you from beautiful Lake Tahoe and Sotheby's International Realty with a very special treat today, our newest listing in Olympic Valley known as 3096 Mountain Links Road. We're going to give you a tour of this home. It is spectacular, located in the heart of Olympic Valley on the golf course, looking right at the mountains. So stay tuned and follow us. There are a lot of things to talk about in this house. Number one is the location. It is located on the golf course for Everline Resort. And with that location, you get these spectacular views. In addition, the house is set up as a 4-bedroom, 4-bath, all-in suite, so that all of your guests have their own private bathroom. We have this beautiful remodel that she did on the house in 2023, recently completed, and the ski hill is right there. So all you have to do is call the Mountaineer Shuttle. They come pick you up at the door and take you to the mountain. If you like what you saw here today, please smash that like button and subscribe to our channels. And if you've been thinking of listing your home and/or looking for another home in the Lake Tahoe region, we are always here to help. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.